Let's talk to Zuma. Let me put Zuma on the line.
Problematizing. Shut up, you stay lazy and listen.
I will move you.
Nkandla. Take for the church cock. He's still sleeping.
Honorable member.
She's still, I don't know what's happening.
When people
I'm not going anywhere.
Comrades, we are here as Labour and Civic Organization. Sina Home Affairs Wasemo Road. Now Home Affairs West Street sithatha imoto emhlophe eyi-5 seater ehamba abantu base-Ethiopia abangenawo amaphepha abangenayo ilayisensi bacishe babulala iy'ngane. And then sayivimba imoto sacela usizo lwamaphoyisa kametro sisi-check-ele amaphepha abo ukuba ne-permit yokuba semgaqweni wokudrayiva. Sacela ukuthi basi-check-ele amaphepha abo ukuba se-South Africa ngokusemthethweni. Amaphoyisa avumile awathatha ama-documents abo bathi asihlangane la e-police station. Home Affairs yakuMorodi to verify illegitimacy yamaphepha abo. Masifika la umetro bewungekho as per our agreement ngalesikhathi siwa West Street. So we waited, we fought with umphathi we-department for over 20 minutes until umetro ufika. Umetro uma ufika nama-documents ase-verified. Abantu abawu-2 ukuthi abantu abawu-2 they are here in South Africa legally. Then they said, let's go inside and verify if those papers are legitimate as they say. Masifika ngaphakathi bafika basinikeza amaphepha amabili njengoba kade besho ngaphandle. We objectify i-verification process yabo because it was not done in front of us. Therefore, Thembi ngicela ukuthi uveza zonke imoto ekhona zometro side. Therefore, we are saying, we must show all of them, abantu bamkhulu. We must show abantu bamkhulu all of them, abantu bamkhulu.
All of them.